Welcome to my channel of It's Marcus. That's me. Hey YouTube fam, for today's video I'm gonna do some yummy cooking some air fried chicken breast. Stand you see is looking I'm sorry, but anyway, I'm about to do some chicken breast stuff. So before I get to cooking, if you're new to my channel, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video out. So let's get this going. Okay, here I go. I have to do some chicken breast. We just put it down in the sink. Well, that's about it. Oh, it's a little wet and soggy now. I'll just get the paper towel to get some of the water off. Get some paper towel to do some water off. Alright. Okay, there we go. There we go. Looks more like it. Now to put some Creole seasoning with it. Can you just twist it to the other side? I want my chicken to look good enough to eat. There we go. Covered it up right here. There we go. Alright, now to mix it together. See, I told you, Creole seasoning make you sneeze. Well, got the chicken breast mixed up. See? Look. Now to put it in the air fryer. I put it in for 30 minutes. There we go, 30 minutes is starting. Here's my little air fryer I like to cook air fried food with. See, set on 30 minutes. It's gonna taste so good. I think I'll have that with some side of the fries in here. Oh, here's my chicken breast. Let's see how to say. It actually tastes pretty good. Well, here it is. My air fried fries and the chicken breast. This is gonna be good. Let's see here. Good. I enjoy it. Yes, it's delicious, you guys. You should try it. But well, that's it in the video right now. But if you guys do like this video, be sure you give this thing a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share this video out. So, I'll see you next time on the spot. Peace out.
Audio Jungle.